How to make money with Shein affiliate program. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'll talk about Shein affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Shein affiliate program is, it's a marketing initiative offered by Shein that allows you to earn commission by promoting Shein products on your website, blog, or social media channels. Participants in this program, known as affiliates, receive unique tracker links that they can use to promote Shein's vast range of products. When a customer makes a purchase through an affiliate's link, the affiliate earns a commission on the sale. Most of you guys know what Shein is. With various products, over 2 million items on their store, and they're constantly coming out with new fashion products, and Shein has become one of the largest and most popular web store now. That's why I can say you have more chance to earn money by being an affiliate program in Shein. But the question is how we can sign up. As you can see, there is no link to get to Shein affiliate program. If we see over here, so what we have to do is using the website called cg.com. This website will help you to join and become an affiliate program in Shein. And CG got a lot of brands, and Shein is one of the partner. So to more understand, you can just read the information, and then you will understand, get more details about this website. For example, information about platform, solutions, partnerships. So here we have advertiser, publisher, agency, influencer, resources, and about us. So if you want to get started, all you have to do is click here. We'll just scroll down over here, and then here we have, if you want to get started as advertiser and agencies, or signing up as publishers and influencers. And the one you gotta choose is this. You can click over here, sign up, and then as you can see, here we have the language, the country, email, password. Then confirm your email, and then you will verify your email by receiving a link in your email. And after verifying it and confirm it, you will accept terms and conditions, and then you have to activate your account. So all you have to do is activate your email by adding your user information, completing your profile, and you added in your property, your submit your forms, and you added payment information by completing your company details and task information. Then you will enter or you can enter your banking information, and then you will answer for this question just to set you on the right path. And so let's see where we have in added your user information. Let's click over here. So as you can see, there is your field that you are filling: first name, email, title, password. And after you finish that, you can click over here, save. And the same thing for the other ones. Here we have completing your profile. You can just add a description here to tell potential advertisers why they should consider your website for this program. And then you will add your property by adding which promotional method you want. As you can see, you can click over here, create property. Then you will define which property you want. Is it social or email? So paid display ads and whatever. And then you will define your promotional model. Is it influencer or coupon deal? name your property, then you describe it. It's optional one, by the way, and then you will define your tags in the optional way, optional one too. Then you will click here submit, and for submit form you will just click over here. So you can just, as you can see, there is information for your account, organization name, postal code, functional currency, address, country, phone, language, that format, city or town, fax, and then you will click over here, and state, province, or country too, and then you will click save. So after adding your payment information, you will just click over here, activate your account. Then you will go to here, this function, click over here, partner, and then you will choose my advertiser. And here you will choose Shein by searching it here. So we will click over here. So let's click here, Shein. As you can see, this is it, and then we select all, and then we search. As you can see, this is it, and then you click here, apply to program. So as I said, you cannot apply the program just after confirming or activating your account. Then you will start earning your money by promoting Shein's product. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. But just before I finish, guys, I'd like to say or to tell you, if you follow this step, you can sign up for the Shein affiliate program, and there's a lot of options here. So as you can see, you can read all of it just to more understand how this website works and how the programs works, just to know how, and also be sure you can earn money just if you try to promoting your website by choosing or promoting Shein products by choosing the promotional method that suits you more. And it's really important to know which one you will choose just to succeed as affiliate. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.